All right, guys, shop walk 65. Let's see what's going on in the shop this week at Creative Rods. All right, we've been working on the 70 Charger RT. Got all the rear suspension in place, and Josh is working on the front now, putting in a MagnaForce suspension kit. We've got the 67 Camaro up front, and the guy's been putting in exhaust system here. Bring it up tight next to the frame, and should be finishing that up hopefully today. And we got the Nova came back in from Charleston just this morning. Got a couple of odds and ends he wants us to look at for him. Take care of that. And last Friday, or actually Saturday, we got a new project in, 67 Pontiac Firebird. So probably a few weeks before we get to that one. We got Myrtle Beach Run to the Sun coming up, and we're focusing on getting the cars ready for that. So we got the Jeep, had some metal work done to it last week, patching up all the holes before it heads over to the body shop. 51 Chevy 3100. I think we got a little bit of metal work left to do on it, and it's it'll be finished for the time being. And we got the Woody and the paint booth. We just did a matte clear finish last week on it, just doing some polish work for the owner. Trying to polish it up. It'll be at Run to the Sun in March as well. Should be in our booth. We're going to save a spot for our customer, and so if you're interested in seeing this one, come check it out. March 19th through the 21st in Myrtle Beach. I think it's 8 to 5 every day. There'll be about 3,500 cars, and we're hoping for good weather because right now we got rain in Greenville. So that's what's going on in the front shop this morning. We'll take you to the back shop later when the rain calms down. And we got the Indian Outlaw, which we're working on as well. You know what you're doing there?
Yeah, this time I do.
Update on the exhaust MagnaFlows. About got it all the way to the back. What are you doing up here?
Looking for stuff.
What kind of stuff?
Tools.
You got your own tools?
Not these tools.
What kind of tools are you looking for?
A brake flaring tool.
Are you? See, yeah, I told you it was a flares to start with. On that Model A back there. Nobody's seen the Model A yet.
Oh.
Do I need to come back there and show them?
You can. They not seen it yet?
No.
Oh.
It got you all perked up this weekend when I showed you a picture of it.
I like it.
Hello there. Welcome to Big Rocks Corner
And the Glazert Studios.
and the Graduate Studios. Today we bring you painting interior parts. Stay tuned for the finale.
So I wondered, has Carter like got a campfire under that thing and he's been camping out under that thing for 2 days now, hasn't he?
Well, he is going back and redoing.
A redo.
Well, yeah, I'd say redo.
Are you choosing your words carefully?
Yeah, I'm making sure, but it's not his fault.
So what you're saying on T-sheets, I need to put a category for redo on there.
Or fixing other people's.
Well, he's the only one who's been working on it. Huh?
I don't know.
You putting a starter on?
Yeah, I got a new starter. That's what I'm putting on now. But
Some bolts. didn't look right.
Yeah, I saw that. So
They were funny looking bolts.
we got the Scout here, and Nate Dogg finished the Dynamat. We're waiting on a bunch of parts to come in, but this is going to be ready as soon as the Woody comes back. He wants us to bring this for a cut and buff. Got a local detailer that we use, high-end detailer, that's going to cut and buff our cars and does some polishing so we can keep working on the other stuff. Now check this out. This is Nate Dogg's baby right here. I sent him a picture of it this weekend. He got all happy about working on this 31 Model A.
Yep.
We are getting it ready for a customer for a run to the sun, doing just some final checks as long as Nate Dogg don't tear it up. Try to rebuild it in the next 2 days.
I thought you said take it apart.
No, I didn't say take it apart.
Well,
What have you done, gone and done?
he don't need brakes.
What is this, the Flintstones or something?
You said fix it, so
Golly. Ford flathead. What is that? What came out the radiator?
yeah,
Oh.
that's a good Kool-Aid right there.
So this was the customer's grandfather's car, and got the seat out because we got to get to the brakes under the seat. Master cylinder. But he wanted to try to keep it with a lot of original qualities and then some hot rod qualities. So it's a pretty neat little car. This one be at Run to the Sun, or is expected to be this month. Not in our booth, but it'll be there somewhere. What are you laughing at?
If I can get it put back together.
Yeah. I mean, this ain't supposed to be like a 100-hour project.
I lost something.
What did you lose?
I don't remember now.
I'm starting to figure you out. You got ADD,
A little bit.
and Carter's got it too, I think.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
We start having a conversation and then we forget where we're at.
We can't ask that question when we interview because that's called discriminatory.
Really?
We just have to learn it the hard way, I guess. Nate Dogg, you are working on the Model A. Okay? Did I put you back in the right frame of mind?
A little bit. I had a part in my hand and I've laid it down somewhere.
What, the ones you brought from up front? Or that part you just showed me, the brake line?
That's one of them.
Oh my gosh, you've already lost that in like 5
No,
seconds?
there's another one I'm looking for.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, never mind. It's not completely off. It's still under the car.
Y'all see what I got to deal with on a daily basis. Every day is something like this. Oh gosh. Why do we let him work by himself back here? Is it because he needs the peace and quiet that don't distract him, or what? Or do you think he takes naps while we're gone?
I get shit done.
What you gonna do that Model A?
Huh?
You gonna
I'm gonna chop the top.
no? You gonna soup that shit up?
Yeah. I need me a Model A to soup that thing up.
All right. Well, that's it from the peanut gallery back here. See where we're at. We have a special delivery for you.
Goodness.
Oh,
Don't kill me.
gosh,
I'm
big
super
boy.
sweaty. Hey, I gotta back something out and then y'all can bring it right in.
All right.
Come on, bud.
Got a Hellcat. Got a Tesla. And a Vet. And a 51 Woody.
No problem.
All right.
Sounds good.
Where's the man
Fire department.
at? He got you doing the hard
I'm
work.
doing the hard work by myself. That's alright, I don't mind. I get
Greaseball. You still like Mopars?
I love them.
You got that K member in now?
Hey, check out that white shirt.
Check out this white shirt.
That's a shirt from Friday.
I've been wearing it since Friday.
That's inside out too.
Oh yeah, it's inside out. I've done flipped it a couple times. Worn it upside down one. Yeah,
You got 4 ways you can wear them.
yeah,
Yeah, it's in there.
yeah. It's
All
in.
but tightening and
Gotta get it adjusted right. You get the bolts tight. But
set the motor back down. And then we can raise it up.
heck, I think the motor's in it. I just need to stick the bolt in it from that little bit.
Cool. Looks good.
All the way back to the muffler. We gotta get some more bends to finish it up.
Short one bend, huh? Pretty much.
Yep.
Up and over.
Yep. It's gonna come up over and then it's gonna come out
Okay.
in this area.
I'll just turn downs.
Yeah.
We gotta have more bins. We're out. Liquidated them.
Gotcha.
Yep. For now, I'm gonna go back to being awesome, doing something else.
Well, let's just see what we got here.
Nah, not really. We're just gonna relocate my awesomeness.
All right, let's see. Come from the headers, tucked in, and come up over the rear end and out the back. Zaki, you make look new.
Yeah, I'm doing a little dirty.
Hey,
Time to relayer. I'm glad I'm walking out. What are you doing?
what's you just freshening it up? You got what we got coming in?
I'll put that scout hood in here.
You gonna roll the Indian Outlaw in here when you do the clear, or?
Yeah, I'd rather do it in here. That's another
Yeah.
reason why I wanted to get it cleaned up.
Gotta have a clean booth.
Clean equals clean.
Clean equals clean.
Together, so that motor can have that little bit of wiggle to it.
He looks too relaxed under there.
Mom,
I'm not, I promise you. It's not a very comfortable position. If I had
put them them bushes back in it?
yeah,
Them aluminum bushes?
yeah, there's one on each side, just like there's supposed to be on both of them, and a washer on each side of one of them little aluminum bushes.
What we finishing up here?
Door, some pinholes in the doors and realigning them. And then you gotta put fender bolts in. Should be done.
Awesome.
Well, Carter's down in the AC box, and then it'll be done.
Nate Dogg,
Yeah.
you like working on that A model?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me your story. After you got this in, what did you do the other night? Went on the internet and tried to find you one, didn't you? Shh. Oh, I wasn't supposed to say that.
I'm just browsing.
Just browsing.
Yeah.
Hey, but if you find one on sale, you get it, right?
Well,
Isn't that how it usually works?
No, not right now.
No.
But I was just thinking of how many more of these I could fit in a garage compared to my like big old cars that I have.
That big old Packard and that Pontiac Catalina.
I could get 4 of these for the 2 of those.
Exactly. Oh, goodness.
Yeah, these don't take up as much space.
Thank you for watching this week's episode of Shop Walk. If you're enjoying these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll see you next Friday at 7 p.m.